Welcome, today I am with GoPro Hero 10 Black and I will show you how you can switch on or switch off this device. So as you can see, we can find power key right here on the right edge under this 10 Black mark. So when you click once on this button, when your camera is turned off, you can change modes, as you can see. But when you are going to click and hold it for a few seconds, you are going to turn off your camera. So that's how you can switch off. And to turn it on, you have to click and hold this button for a few seconds again. So let's make it right now. And that's it. If you have any problem and you cannot turn on your device, you have to take a look on your battery. Right here. And also, if your battery is inside, you have to remember to charge your battery with USB-C cable. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.